So we all know AI can whip up a pretty decent email or, help you polish up your resume. But what if I told you that its most powerful features, the ones that can seriously accelerate your career, are kind of hiding in plain sight? Well, in this explainer, we're going to unlock those features and give you a real competitive edge.
Think about it for a second. In a job market this crowded, what's your secret weapon? What gives you that unfair advantage? It's a tough question, right? But the answer might just be sitting right there on your screen.
And yep, that secret weapon is AI. But we're not talking about asking a chatbot for fun facts. We're talking about a high-impact professional toolkit. And today, we're going to build that toolkit together, piece by piece, with 5 game-changing strategies you can literally start using today.
All right, so here's our game plan. First up, we're going to map out a custom learning path just for you. Then we'll get you practicing interviews until you're a total pro. After that, you'll get a career mentor in your pocket 24/7. Then we'll automate your networking, and finally, we'll build a portfolio that does the talking for you. Let's dive in.
Okay, first things first, let's tackle that feeling of looking at a dream job and thinking, ugh, I'm not qualified. Our very first tool completely flips that script. It turns AI into your personal skill gap analyzer, so you can go from feeling unqualified to being the exact candidate companies are searching for.
And forget about generic advice. This is all about precision. The AI looks at your resume, compares it against your dream job, and points out the exact skills you're missing. Then it builds you a custom roadmap. We're talking specific courses and actual tasks, so you can upgrade your skills way faster than anyone else. And the best part? The process couldn't be simpler. Seriously, you just copy and paste your resume in a job ad you're eyeing. The AI does all the heavy lifting, instantly spots the gaps, and boom, you've got a 30-day action plan. It's like having a personal career strategist on demand.
Okay, so you've got the skills mapped out. Now you got to nail the interview. And we all know how nerve-wracking that can be. This next tool is designed to take all that anxiety and turn it into rock-solid confidence by giving you an AI interview coach to practice with.
Ah, yeah, we've all been there. The interviewer leans in, hits you with that question, and suddenly your heart is pounding and your mind is just blank. How do you even answer that without sounding bad? Well, this is exactly where practicing with an AI can make a world of difference. See, here's how you beat that fear. You can practice answering the absolute toughest questions over and over again in a totally judgment-free zone. No human on the other side, just you. You get instant, helpful feedback that helps you polish your answers and build that genuine confidence for the real deal.
And the feedback you get is incredibly specific. It's not just going to say, hey, good job. No way. It'll take what you said and show you a way more polished, impactful version. It might even suggest you use a storytelling trick, like the STAR method, to structure your answer, helping you turn a simple story into proof of your problem-solving skills. It's like having a top-tier coach in your corner.
All right, tool number 3. This one gives you something that used to be incredibly rare. A seasoned career mentor on speed dial, ready with expert advice whenever you need it, day or night.
24/7, just let that sink in. No more waiting a week to schedule a meeting. No more trying to catch your boss at the right time. Got a big career question at 10 p.m. on a Sunday? Need to figure out a negotiation strategy at 7 a.m. before a big call? The advice is right there waiting for you. This is where AI really shifts from being a simple tool to becoming your personal career strategist. It's designed to help you navigate all those tricky, high-stakes moments in your professional life with a whole lot more clarity and confidence. So, what kind of advice are we talking about here? Well, anything really. Wondering if you should jump into a new field? It can break down the pros and cons for you. Need to negotiate for a higher salary? It can literally give you a script to use. This is high-level strategic guidance available instantly. Now, our 4th tool is a true secret weapon. We all know networking is super important, but let's be real, it can be awkward and take up a ton of time. This tool actually automates a lot of the process, helping you build powerful connections almost effortlessly. And the payoff for this is huge. A strong network is what leads to mentorship from senior people in your field, and, most importantly, it gets you those valuable job referrals that put your resume right on top of the pile. AI just makes building that network way more effective. For instance, instead of you struggling to write the perfect message, AI can generate dozens of personalized, professional connection requests just like this one. No more sending those generic "I'd like to connect" messages. This approach dramatically increases your chances of getting a response and opening doors you thought were locked.
And now for the final piece of our AI toolkit. Look, certificates are fine, but what really gets you hired is proof you can actually do the work. This last tool helps you build an impressive portfolio of real-world projects that show employers what you're capable of. Here's the bottom line. A fantastic project is the ultimate tiebreaker. It takes your skills from a line on a resume to something tangible and impressive. It's the difference between saying you know data analysis and showing a hiring manager the amazing dashboard you built. And the coolest part is, you don't have to stare at a blank page wondering where to start. Let's say you want to do a data analyst project. The AI can give you pretty much everything you need. Ideas for data sets, a clear problem to solve, a step-by-step guide to the solution, and even an outline for your presentation. It just removes all the friction so you can focus on doing great work. So there you have it. 5 distinct, really powerful AI strategies designed to accelerate your career. This isn't just theory, you know? This is a practical toolkit that's ready for you to use right now.
So let's just quickly recap your new toolkit. You've got a skill gap analyzer to light up the path forward, a simulated interview coach to build unstoppable confidence, a 24/7 mentor for expert guidance, a networking assistant to open doors, and a project creator to prove you've got the skills. So really, the only question left is the most important one. You have the tools, you have the strategies. The advantage is officially yours. So how are you going to use it to build the career you've always wanted?